Welcome back, you guys. I'm so excited to show y'all this new Highland home. Currently there are 4 inventory homes available to move in for January. These homes not only look beautiful, but they come with so many great standard features. These homes come with smart technology, which includes smart lock, touchscreen deadbolt, Wi-Fi sky bill, Wi-Fi garage door opener, double pane thermal low E-glass windows, tankless water heater, corrosion resistant plumbing, termite pre-treat at frame stage, in-wall pest controls, 3-sided brick, fully sided front yard, granite is standard 24-inch cabinets, adjustable shelves, hidden hinges. There are GE black appliance packages, but the 4 inventory homes are stainless steel upgraded. 3-centimeter granite countertops with square edge, choice of color, tile backsplash, Moen pull down 2-function faucet, stainless steel single basin undermount sink, Moen chrome plumbing fixtures and bath accessories. The master bath has 2-centimeter granite or 1.2 centimeter silestone. The inventory homes have been upgraded to silestone vanity tops with square edge, sterling soaking tub. Some of the other smart features included is the Euro Wi-Fi router system. You can stream and surf from any corner of your home with this small but powerful Wi-Fi router. On the Sky Video doorbell, you can keep an eye and ear on your front door from anywhere with the help of the Sky Bell app. You have the Honeywell 10 Pro thermostat. You can regulate the room temperatures there and on a smart with a smart app. On the Wi-Fi garage door opener, you can use the MyQ app to secure your home and your deliveries with an Amazon compatible garage door opener. And you have outlets with USB ports, 6 pre-installed convenient charging locations. There are so many upgrades in these homes. If you would like a private tour, please feel free to reach out to me via email, lisa@htxhometeam.com. Until then, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Have a great day. Happy New Year.